This is the high-grade Zaku 2F type Solar RFV from the Requiem for Vengeance.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at the HD Zaku 2 from the Netflix Gundam series. This video took me forever to post because I kind of accidentally erased half of the footage. I put my SD card into my DJI camera and it reformatted everything. Big shout out to Argama Hobby for sponsoring this kit. Not once, but twice. They came through with another one so that I could redo my video. Seriously appreciate the support. Make sure you check them out.
Alright, so here's what we've got. Pretty standard HG parts, but I can already tell the color separations is decent. The plastic feels solid, and the molded details are nice. The marking stickers, yeah, not a fan, but we'll see how they work out.
One thing I like about this kit is that it looks like battle damage. The surface has extra bumps that it looks like the metal is dented and protruding.
But have you guys ever cut out some of those bumps while fixing the nubs? Seriously, it took me a while to figure out how to apply this sticker on the shoulder spike. The position of the mono eye can be adjusted by sliding the rib on the back of the head. attaching these grenades to the side of the leg, and the machine gun and heat hog can be mounted on the back. First impressions, this Zaku looks pretty good. The proportions feel sturdier, and the joints are tight but not stiff. The only thing that bugs me about this kit is the marking stickers. I know they're meant to give off a cool mechanical metal vibe and reproduce the mold and dirt on the body. But when you slap a big one over an entire part, all you really get is a clear, bubbly mess. I'm going to do some panel lines on the one without stickers. I'm using Tamiya panel line accent color in black this time. Looking at the articulation, the shoulder armor moves out slightly, and the front skirt can flip up and pull away from the body. There's also a dropping waist mechanism that allows the legs to extend. And the knees have a good range of motion. The leg pipes are jointed, so they move along with the legs. The ankle armor lifts up, allowing for a higher ankle position. It's not super flexible, but it gets the job done.
Honestly, I really like it. It's a solid kit. And if you take the time to paint it and do more effects to the battle damage part, it would look even better. But the stickers are very basic, and I feel like a little more efforts on the accessories or color separations would have made it stand out more.
I've never been a fan of stickers, but since I got to build this twice, I figure I might as well add some to one and see how it looks.
By the way, if you have never been to Argama Hobby yet, they've got their own build tables and paint booth right in the store. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned builder, you can drop by, hang out, and work on your own kits there. It's a great spot to build, paint, and connect with other builders. That's it for today. Let me know what's your thoughts on this. Are you picking this up or passing? Drop a comment, and if you like this video, like and subscribe for more Gunpla content. See you in the next one.